Hey YouTube, wagwan! Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we have this Coast flashlight. I'll link it in the description of where you guys can get this from. Also, guys, please go ahead check out my other videos. So let's get into this. This is the XP11R. So that's the name of it. It's 2000 lumens. That's how bright it is. It go for 37 hours. Have an IP54 ratings, and we have different beams pattern. We have 4 light mode, and let's get into it, guys. So first thing first, let's open it up. So guys, we break our seal just like that. I'm gonna peel this up. All right, finally get it out. So you can see that we get a USB cable right here. We have USB type C to USB type A, and we also have type C on both ends. So whichever plug you have it, if you have to plug it in type C, USB type C to USB type C is good, and USB type A to USB type A is also good, guys. That's just where you plug it in. This what goes into the flashlight. So there you go. So right here, you would just unscrew the bottom. That's where you would charge it. We also have a USB type C. We also have a charge indicator, and at the bottom is where you turn it on. You have a switch right here. It also show display the battery status. So if it's green, then the battery is good. If it's red, then you need to charge it, and you have 1 mode. So 1 mode, 2 mode, 3 mode, and then we have that super bright mode, which you gotta press and hold it, and you see how bright it get. So let's go ahead, and also this come into the package. You can put 3 AAA battery in it and use it that way, or you can always recharge it. So let me unscrew it like that. You keep on turning it, and you will see the other battery that it come with right here. Also in the battery, you have a USB type C where you can charge it right here if you want, as well as you can charge it in the flashlight. And right here you have a rubber ring right here. That's to help with the IP54. Make sure when you tighten it, guys, when you lock it, make sure you create a proper seal right there, so you don't have any water going, any liquid going, and damage your light. Also, you can lock it, and let me see if I can adjust the beam. You can see the beam spread and narrow. So yeah, and you can lock it in each position. So that's good. So yep, let me know what else you want to see on this light. As you can see, it's super bright. So just let me know what you guys would like to see, and I will definitely post it, guys, in the comment. Also, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time. A quick take on Coast product. I've been using their headlamp for like maybe 5 years now, and it's running good. It's still running strong. I still have that one at work, so I probably bring it home and just do a little display of it so you guys can see. But link will be in the description so you guys can grab your own. This is a nice size flashlight. So yep, peace out, see you next time. Alright guys, I find a dark spot. The phone not really showing it much justice, but this is the medium. That's the medium bright. That's the high bright, you can see, and this is the low bright. So yeah, and it's off. And if you hold the light, that's super bright. You can see. Alright guys, let me know what else you would like to see with this light. That's it for this video. Peace out, see you next time.